Are you looking for the best folding rowing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best folding rowing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Magnetic rowing machine. With a simple twist, you can increase or decrease the 8 levels of magnetic resistance, so your workout can remain challenging and effective throughout your fitness journey. At 48 inches in slide rail length, and 44 inches in inseam length, the SFRW 5515 can accommodate rowers nearly any size. The large LCD console displays time, count, calories, total count, and scan. The convenient scan mode displays your progress to assist you in tracking all your fitness goals. Built-in transportation wheels for easy portability. Simply tilt and roll out for use or away for storage. No need for heavy lifting or muscle strain. Textured non-slip foot pedals will ensure safe footing during the most demanding and vigorous workouts. Foot straps keep your feet saddled with so you can focus on the workout without feeling unbalanced. Number 2. YOSUDA magnetic rowing machine. Design and produce top quality exercise machines for home use for over 20 years. YOSUDA has chosen by more than 3 million families, and we will always stand behind our product. We promise free returns and refunds within 1 month, and 2 years for replacement parts. Equipped with a 10-pound flywheel and high-quality magnetic control system, this rower machine provides enough resistance. With 16 levels nicely transition resistance, all stages users can get an effective workout whether you are a beginner or an advanced user. YOSUDA will be a good companion as your first rower. The non-contact magnetic resistance system delivers a virtually silent rowing experience. High-density steel reduces noise, changing your daily rowing into pleasure. Whether in the early morning or after work, you can enjoy your workout without worries. Choose a rower that can grow with you from beginner to advanced. Built with commercial quality, the 5mm thick steel ensures the high durability of YOSUDA rowing machine. Maximum weight capacity can be up to 350 pounds. The 45.2-inch long slide fits users from 4'5' to 6'2', which is suitable for almost every family member. YOSUDA products is designed to last for years with robust build quality. The 3.45-inch LCD monitor clearly displays the rowing data. You can put the phone or iPad on the holder to enjoy the videos or music. Newly Bluetooth supports Kinemap app, so you can experience different rowing scenarios, as well as the fun of rowing races. Number 3. Rowing machine. Air rowing machine. Smart fitness rowing machine. Compact gym exercise rower style for sports training, cardio fitness, weight loss, fat burning. Measures time, distance, strides, calories burned. Digital LCD display. Computer panel. Adjustable resistance rower. Level setting. Portable folding stand-up design for easy storage. Quiet, smooth gliding contour of seat. Comfortable handlebar grip and pedal style. Footrests. Rugged construction with reinforced handlebar pull cable. Safety certified, reliable and lab tested. Auto power off battery saving function. Perfect for indoor, home and office gym. Some assembly required. Number 4. Sunny Fitness elastic cord rowing machine. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 5606 elastic cord rowing machine provides an outstanding way to increase fitness by burning calories and building muscle in a safe, low-impact way. Made of top-grade steel, this ultra-smooth and quiet rower features an elastic cord resistance with 4 levels of adjustable tension, which makes it the perfect addition to your home gym. It comes equipped with large anti-slip pedals with straps and an easy-to-read LCD monitor which displays time, calories burned, count, total count, count per minute, and scan. Featuring the option to fold, the Sunny Health and Fitness elastic cord rowing machine is very portable and can be easily stored away. Maximum user weight, 220 pounds. Elastic cord dual directional resistance with 4 levels of adjustable tension. Large LCD console displays time, count, total count, calories burned, count per minute, and scan. Oversized angled seat with non-slip handle for optimal comfort. Large anti-slip foot pedals with adjustable foot straps for secure footing. Maximum user weight of 220 pounds. Number 5. Stainless steel double track rowing machine. For the EU countries, all product price and shipping fee have added VAT, but if the product price above €150, the VAT will subtract after payment. So the AliExpress displayed price is different from the amount of your payment. The payment amount will be less than displayed price if the product price above €150. Please note, because these items are very big, the prices vary from time to time and from countries to countries. Ask me directly for lowest price. We will give you big discount if contact me before payment. If you choose the seller's shipping method, we will enforce customs duties and pay taxes only USA, Canada, Mexico, EU countries, Australia, Middle East countries, Southeast Asian countries. These countries free taxes. For you, we will send it directly to the address you filled in, by train/C+UPS/DPD/FedEx. Please don't worry, if you have any questions, you can contact us. When the parcel on the train or boat, the tracking number cannot track, usually need 25-39 days. After arrive in stations or ports, then Express will catch them, then the tracking number will be updated and sent to your home directly. Please don't worry.